everyone, this is Arzu. Welcome you all in the next tutorial of Python. So in this tutorial, you will be working with AI text recognition. Yes, you understand so well. What is AI text recognition? When you are talking about text, it means something you are having a picture. There is a text on the picture. You can track the text and you can just convert it into the real text. You can just copy paste the text given in the picture to the real text, right? That's what we are going to work with. So for working with, I will just show you the example of a picture. Like in this picture, you can see that there is a text given HFC Bank. The rectangle is outlined the text and it's also written over there HFC Bank. So yes, this is what we are going to work with. But we will be working with two two parts of the project. One will be the very basic where you will have the picture. It will simply show you the text in the output. And the second part is you will have the picture. It will show you the output on the picture, like the rectangle it will show. The third version is also there, the complex one that we can do the modification. So within 2-3 videos, we will cover this topic. Now I will first explain you what AI and text recognition is, how this is actually going to work. So if we are talking about AI text recognition, we will be using 4 libraries over here. First is easyocr, second is CV2, third is matplotlib, and fourth is numpy. Now let's come in easyocr. So if we are talking about easyocr library, OCR stands for Optical Characteristics Recognition. So this easy OCR is actually designed for text extraction, document analysis, image-based data entry, text detection, and location. So these all things easy OCR can do. And OCR optical means something visual, something that we can recognize and we can see. But individually easy OCR can't track the text. For this, we need the second library help, that's OpenCV. I already told you what OpenCV is. OpenCV actually does not perform OCR function directly, but indirectly it is linked and it helps to the image processing, text localization, integration and other vision tasks. Also, it is help to performance efficiency. So it will increase your performance basically. Now the next library we have, that is matplotlib library. We have used these two libraries earlier as well in the project. This is also not related directly to the OCR project, but it is interrelated and we need matplotlib as well for, visualizing a result, debugging and analysis, evaluation and cooperation. Even we can explore the data with the help of matplotlib. Then there is another library we are going to use, that is numpy. So numpy, again, it is not directly related, but yes, it will give us the powerful arrays, because when we are talking about the results, we need to track every alphabet, right? We need to give the position of every alphabet, like it is at the right uh, corner, left corner, bottom, where it is, right? So whenever you will see the result, it will come in form of array and we will track that that arrays, and then we are just coding it accordingly. That I will let you know later. When you are doing the project, you will understand what is the use of numpy library here. It actually plays an important role when we are talking about OCR, easy OCR, or text recognition, because it helps in image representation, image processing, array operations. That is very important because we have to track the, position of our text, like where it is not. Okay. And yeah, it is also, integration with the machine learning as well. So yeah, these all parts we are going to use over here. First part is being completed. Now, what will be the second step? The second step is you need to read the image, and the third step is you will display the result. Now, how we are going to start with? So, yes, of course, we need to open Google Colab as we opened earlier as well. I'm going to share my screen with you all so that it will be clearly visible. Come here and just write Google Colab. I'll click on the first tab and it's expression identifier, face expression, celebrity. Okay, I have a lot of projects. I'm just opening any one of it. You can even make new notebook. My drive is full, so I'm just making it over here. So I will delete this one. This one also I'm deleting. First thing, as I told you always, you need to import the libraries, then you need to take your files. So the very first library is easyocr. I told you the method earlier. You can write easyocr install. You will have pypi link. You will click on this, come over here and just do this pip install easyocr and run it. So when you do this, then it will install the easyocr library over here. Once the circle, loading part is complete, then you can come to the next step for installing the next library. As you can see, it's collecting, downloading, everything is happening over here. So as you can see that it's successfully installed easyocr library. Now we will come to the next part. And as I told you that there are some more libraries as well. I have already installed them. Let's see if it works. Otherwise, we can install it later. Okay. If it is not working. So the first command that I'm going to write is import easyocr. Then, as I told you, we have used a lot of libraries. So I'm using import CV2. The third, I'm importing matplotlib. Matplotlib import pyplot as plt. Then import numpy as np. Okay, so I have all the libraries import. Now I want the picture that I have to track the text from. So let me have the picture. So it says that you have to take the picture every time. I'll mark it okay, that's fine. Yeah. Now what next code is? You have to give the image path. So I will be writing image is equals image path is equals to, and you will be writing your picture name. My picture name is surf.jpeg file. And now, as I told you that easyocr will read the picture. So I will call a reader is equals to easyocr dot reader Now, which language you have inside the picture that you need to define. So you will put the square bracket and quotation symbol, and you will write EN. EN we use for English. GPU tracker, I'm making it as true. So GPU is actually help us to track the text from the image so faster and easier. Then you will have result equals to reader dot read text. And what are you going to read? I'm going to read my image path, means whatever my image path is, I will be reading that. And I want to display the result, because result is my variable where I am reading the path, and then I will display the result. Let me explain you again. I have all four libraries that I have explained you earlier, right? At the beginning of the video. Then we are importing the image path. My image name is surf.jpg. I'm having it. Now I need to write down the language we have inside the picture. That's English. The result, reader will read text, the image path. So the reader will read that image path, and I want the result. So this is what the code is. This is actually the code to display the output of the text from the image. Okay, it's not showing any rectangle or something onto the picture. It will simply show the text, and where what is the position of the text given, that's what it is showing. So as you can see over here, it says that warning easy OCR, this. Okay, that's fine. But as you can see that we have this kind of thing. What it actually indicates. This is actually the arrays that showing the different list, and it has different coordinates. Also, it is showing the text over here. So, the same way you can track the text from the picture. I will let you know what is the use of it. Actually, it plays a very important role when you're talking about, the image text recognition, and if you want to draw a rectangle inside the picture. So, I will also take another picture so that I can show you that how you can track the text from the picture. I have other picture that serve sign.png. This is the picture. If I will open over here, this is the picture, and the text is head protection must be worn on this side. Okay, so I'm just closing it, and I will change the name of the picture. I'm making it as sign.png. Make sure that you will be writing down the picture name correctly. Now, if I'm going to run the code, as you can see that you have a lot of lines given over here, right? There is a list. Actually, this is an array. So we can see list inside the arrays. Arrays is nothing, is the combination of list, right? So head protection. The head protection is having this as an array, must be worn on this side, means every text you can see over here. So this is the first part of the project. Now in the next video, we will see how you can make a rectangle on the picture, and you can see the text onto the picture with the rectangle. So yes, let's meet you all in the next video.